Today we're showing you a 2018 John Deere 5100M open operator station tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor. It does have the John Deere 540M self-leveling quick attach front loader that goes with it. The tractor has just under 1,200 hours on it. It's a very nice clean tractor. Front bucket's in nice shape. It's got the global cell hookup here for your bucket connection. Has the front weight carrier and the front grill guard on it. Again, the 540M self-leveling loader. Front tires do show some wear. They have a little life in them yet, but those will need replaced before too long. Back tires are in really nice shape. It does have the Firestone radial tires all the way around it. Got the canopy top on it as well. It's got the heavy-duty 3-point telescopic links, stabilizer bars, has the 540 and 540 PTO. Dual remotes back here. Rear work light. If you're looking for a clean 100 horsepower open station tractor, this one's definitely worth a look. Deluxe seat that swivels left and right. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. 4 ranges in the tractor, 4 synchronized gears, so it gives you a total of 16 speeds. You can also declutch the tractor with the button right there on the shift lever. Loader control within easy reach. 2 levers for your rear remotes, transmission position, or I'm sorry, 3-point position and draft control levers also to the right, and then also your PTO engagement. Foot throttle, brakes, clutch pedal, differential lock, all down there on the floor. We do take trades. We also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other tractors on our yard, we stock approximately 150 used tractors. You can contact us on the web at masttractor.com.